about Memorial Colleges. Let's go!
Why is the Bill of Rights essential in a democratic society like the Philippines, and how does it protect individuals from possible abuse of government power?
The Bills of Rights is essential because ang kanang Bill of Rights ang nagset sa tuwa sa freedom, and also muna siyang nagset sa atong mga rights sa atong mga Filipino citizens.
So, in your opinion, what could happen if the Bill of Rights did not exist?
If wala nag-exist ang katong Bill of Rights, maybe like unlimited maka-use ang katong ilang i-abuse sa katong government ang ilahang power to abuse us. So wala siya kay makaget og unlimited power ang mga government.
So, can individual rights under the Bill of Rights ever be limited by the government?
Yes, but under conditions siya.
Can you give an example of when the government should limit individual rights?
Yes, especially if like naay rights ang tao nga mangita og work, but due to sa kanang if dili man gyud siya it limit gyud, like just like mangita og work is kanang dili na siya butangan og limits, basin sa work is mabuhat sa kanang mga tao ang dili nila angay buhaton, like magtinamaran sila sumunang mag-set sila og kanang like limited kay para dili i-abuse pud sa mga Filipino citizens ang ilahang rights.
Why is the Bill of Rights essential in a democratic society like the Philippines, and how does it protect individuals from possible abuse of government power?
So, the Bill of Rights is essential in a country like Philippines kay tungod it is set in place para maprotektahan ang citizens from the misuse of power. No, according pa lang kang John Locke nga the power comes from the consensus of the people. So nagikan ang power nila kay nagikan gid sa mga tao, and it is set in place sad para protektahan ang mga tao niya. Dili masad pwede gid no nga kay kung wala na ang Bill of Rights kay there's a very high likelihood man gid nga ang mga people of power or people in government positions kay ila i-misuse ang power, and they could probably or potentially arrest people without proper due process or probable cause.
So, why is due process important in protecting people's rights?
Due process is important in protecting people's rights because from the word itself, no, due process, it means nga kanang naay process good when it comes to making the decision kung unsa ang kanang possible nga punishment or possible nga buhaton moving forward sa katong gibuhat nga crime sa tao.
Can individual rights under the Bill of Rights ever be limited by the government?
Yes, because no power is absolute man. No, kanang the government or people in power can limit our rights, but kanang there has to be a due process within imposing those limits. Kay dili masad pwede nga kanang decision kay arbitrary ra nga dali-on nya walay proper bitaw nga siguro judgment or walay proper nga scrutinization when it comes to making those decisions.
Can you give one example of when a government may legally limit a person's rights?
Okay, so an example of this is kanatong curfews. It violates our right to travel, which is under Article 3, Section 6. It is set in place man gyud kay tungod na ay public safety concerns. That is one example nga malimit ang atong rights legally and through due process.